Hey guys, it's me Dominic, and I just want to tell you all like and subscribe, and and I'll probably do another Shrek video when we hit 10,000. But here's a new Shrek video. Shrek is Hungry Part 2. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's get on with the video. Donkey, where'd you get cheesecake? Oh, he gave it to me. Oh, stay. Did you get him cheesecake? I specifically told him not to get cheesecake. You listened to me all these years. I told you not to get cheesecake to him. I'm sorry. He likes to smell cheesecake. He missed cheesecake, so I gave it to him. And he made a bad decision. I'm about to go poop. Shrek, you better not use our bathroom, Shrek. Oh, Donkey, I need to go poop. We'll do it outside, not in here. Oh, Donkey, I need to go poop now. Sorry, Donkey, I have to use your bathroom. Shrek, you don't even pay what? Shut up, Donkey. What is that? Oh my God! Stay tuned what Shrek saw in the next episode of Shrek. Oh.